How are you today? Are you good today, my dear?
I'm good. I'm feeling like
Wow, thank you. Same, you too. I'm happy to see you again, my dear.
okay.
Did you eat your breakfast?
Um, no,
Oh no,
no hungry.
why? Why, my dear?
No hungry.
Oh no, why? Did you drink coffee or anything, my dear?
Mm, Meal.
Oh, milk. Ah, it's okay.
Yes, meal.
You didn't eat some bread?
Some rice.
Yes, you didn't eat bread or anything. Just milk. Is it just milk? Oh wait. Um, share some. Okay, I will share my screen to you. Wait. Okay. Didn't. Oh, you're sleepy.
Yes, so sleepy. So sleepy.
Oh, why? Are you go to bed late? Are you wait, my dear?
Yeah, yes, because I sleep late.
What time you s- what
Oh,
time did you sleep?
2 a.m.
Oh, it's too late, my
Yes,
dear. Why?
uh,
What are you
maybe three,
doing in that
maybe
2 a.m.?
3 a.m.
Oh, it's too late, my dear.
Um,
Why? What happened? What are you doing? What are you, what are you doing
um,
in your
okay.
you're doing at night?
I watch TikTok.
What's that? TikTok?
TikTok.
Ah, TikTok, sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, are you watching
And
TikTok? Say, I'm
yes, TikTok.
watching TikTok too.
Yes.
Do
Talk.
you have, oh, so did you have a account, my dear?
What?
Are you dancing in TikTok?
Dance.
Yes. Are you dancing in TikTok?
Dun,
Are you dance TikTok?
no, no,
So you're
no.
watching.
Yes, touching, watching.
Ah, just watching.
I'm just
Okay.
watching.
Why? Why you didn't dance in TikTok?
Um, I don't know how to dance.
Oh, you don't know how to
Mm.
dance. Or how about singing, my dear? Do you like singing in TikTok? Ah. Just like
So
that.
cute. So cute.
Are you singing in TikTok just like this? The that you watch in your TikToks. Some people's imitate the the songs in TikTok and then they will video themselves of themselves.
Teacher is TikToker.
Can you say it again, my dear?
Teacher is TikToker.
Just just a little, my dear, because I am bored, so I do that.
Okay.
Yeah. We should some make a TikTok video, my dear. So you will not bored.
Okay.
What did you do before our class, my dear?
Yes.
Just watching already TikTok. Did you
What?
watch in the morning?
Morning, teacher morning.
What did you do before our class? What did you do before our class, my dear?
I brush my teeth.
Oh, you brush teeth and then wash
Yes,
your
brush.
face.
Yes.
Oh, that's good, my dear. Good job.
Đánh
Oh,
răng, đánh răng, đánh răng. Brush. Vietnamese. Đánh răng,
bandang,
đánh răng.
bandang.
Yes, đánh răng. Yeah, good
Oh, so you
job.
bandang.
Yes, đánh răng. Yeah.
Okay, how about the wash the face, my dear? Wash my face.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay, my dear, before we start our class, we will be you you will practice for pronunciation about uh, this word words. Can you say read? Can you say this one, my dear? Read state agent. Can you say this, my dear?
Okay.
Can you say, or can you read this one, or can you say this
Brush.
word? Or
Oh,
yes. Oh no, sorry.
real estate agent.
Real
Real,
estate agent.
Can you say it again?
real estate agent.
Real estate agent.
Can you
Real
say it again?
estate agent.
Very good. Good job, my dear. How about this one? How about this one, my dear?
Judge.
Just,
Can you say it again?
just,
Judge
Judge.
just,
with the judge
just,
with the, my dear.
judge,
Judge.
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 Very good. Good job. How about this one? How about this one?
Customs officer.
Custom officer.
With S, my dear.
Customs officers.
Very good. Very good, my dear. How about this one?
Practice.
Can you say this one?
Practice.
Very good. How about this one? How about this one?
Receptionist.
Receptionist.
Can you say it again?
Receptionist.
Receptionists.
Receptionist.
Very good. Very good, my dear. Good job. How about this one? This um boy. Can you say this one, my dear?
Lawyer.
Oh,
Yes.
one
Can you
more
say
time.
one more time?
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Can you say it
Lawyer.
again? Lawyer.
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 Yes. Can you pass? Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Very good. Good job, my
Lawyer.
dear. You pronounced correctly. Okay,
Mm.
very good. How about the last one, my dear? This the last situations. Okay. Can you say this one?
Situations.
Situation. Situation.
Situations.
Can you say it again?
Situation.
Situations.
Situations.
Situation.
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 Very good. Can you say it again? Situation.
Situation.
Yes, very good, my dear. Good job. You pronounce all of the words correctly. Good job, my dear. Okay. We will, before we start again, my dear, and we will have to practice the greetings, or I will um I will ask you a question and then you will answer this. All right, my dear?
Okay.
Incomplete and complete. Incomplete sentence, my dear. Okay?
Complete. So cute. So cute.
Okay, my dear. I'm so sorry. Okay, this one, my dear.
My name is Chi.
Very good. How about how? Okay, I will say this one aloud. How do you spell your name?
Oh. C-H-I.
Can you say it again in complete sentence, my dear? Did you know or do you know how to complete sentence if I ask you how do you spell your name?
How do you spell?
Okay, this one, my dear.
S-E-C-H-I.
Okay, can you say it again?
Is S-E-C-H-I.
Okay, it's C-H-I. Very good. Good job.
Okay.
How about how old are you? How old are
How old are
you?
you?
Yes.
I'm 20 years old.
Yes. Very good. How about what do you do?
Hmm.
What do you do?
Hmm. I'm a student.
Very good. Can you say it again?
I'm a student.
Yeah. Very good. How about what do you like doing?
Uh,
What do you like doing?
uh, um, take- Take,
Okay. One, two, three.
làm xuyên gì kia. Oh, I like to be an interpreter.
Interpreter.
Yes, interpreter.
Okay, very good. Good job. I like.
A teacher.
I like an interpreter. Very good. Good job. How about this one? The last questions, my dear. Where do you live?
Where you live?
Yes, where do you live?
Where you live?
Where do you live? Do you live?
I'm from Vietnam.
Yes, very good. But can you say this one? I live. Yeah.
I live in Vietnam.
Yes.
I live in Vietnam.
Very good. Good job. If you want to ask somebody or someone, you will say, she does live in Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yes. If you want to say that your teacher is they ask you where your teacher live. She
Oh,
does live in in the Philippines. Got it, my dear?
wow. Oh, where
Oh,
is the teacher? Philippines?
she does live in the Philippines. Yeah, she live in the Philippines or no does. She live in the Philippines. Yes. She
I- Is
does. She
is
does.
it a city?
She doesn't. She does live in the Philippines.
Oh, oh,
Okay, my dear. Are you ready for our class, my dear?
I'm ready. I'm
Ah,
ready.
yes. Okay. I will. Oh no, that's this one.
Không understand.
She lives. Okay. I will share this. My dear, can you see my screen clearly?
No.
Okay. I
Ah,
will.
yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Very good. We will have to listen this audio. Okay. One more time. She lives in. She lives in the Philippines.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
Oh, wait. My dear, we will continue our. Okay.
No.
Oh, wait. Just wait, my dear. Okay. Can you see my screen already, my dear?
Do you?
Can you see? Yes. Okay, we will have a listen to this audio, and then that will that's our topic for today, that where do you live in? Okay, my dear?
Okay.
Okay.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
No, I don't live in Los Angeles.
Where do you live?
I live in Guatemala.
Which part?
Guatemala City.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at McDonald's.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have children.
How many children do you have?
I have one daughter and one son.
How many grandchildren do you have?
I don't have any grandchildren.
All right. That's
Okay.
all, my dear. It's so cute, right? They are going to date. What is this, my dear? This person. What is this person? This is a grandma or grandpa? My dear.
Grandpa.
This this is what is this person? What do
Oh,
you call this? It is grandma or grandpa?
grandma.
Yes, very good. How about this one?
Grandpa.
Yeah, very good. Good job, my dear. They talk about where they live in, or they are getting to know to each other. Okay, all right. Okay, where do you live, my dear?
What do you
Where do you live?
Um, from where do you live? From Vietnam.
Okay, can you say this one? I live in Vietnam. Where do you live? Again, my dear.
Where you live in Vietnam?
Very good. Good job. Okay, how about this one? We will have to practice, my dear. And then we will answer this by filling in the blank. So you will have to memorize. Okay, my dear?
Oh, okay.
Okay, you will write. Okay. I am A and then you are a B. Okay?
UA.
Yes, I am a and then you are a B. Okay? Okay. Let's start. Do you live in Los Angeles?
No, I don't live in Los Angeles.
Can you say it again, my dear? Los Angeles.
No,
Los Angeles.
uh, no, I don't live in Los Angeles.
Very good. Where do you live?
I live in Guatemala.
Can you say it again?
I live in Guatemala.
Very good. Which part?
Guatemala City.
Where do you work?
I work at McDonald's.
Very good. Do you have children?
Yes, I have children.
How many children do you have?
I have one daughter and some son.
One son.
One son.
Very good. Son.
Son.
Very good. How many grandchildren do you have?
I don't have any grandchildren.
Very good. Good job, my dear. My dear, you will have to memorize this because we will have a quiz.
Okay.
Okay.
Dada. Dada. Dada.
I will give you 5 minutes, my dear, or 2 minutes to memorize because we'll have a practice or quiz. Sorry. Okay, my dear, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, asks and answer by filling in the blanks. Okay, do you live in?
In Vietnam.
We will have to, my dear, we will
Los
have,
Angeles.
we will, you will have to, this answer, this is the answer, my dear.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
Yes. So we'll have to answer this by this. Yeah. So I will have to memorize to you this practice and then this dialogue and then we will have to answer this fill in the blanks. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, okay. Got it. Do you live in?
Los Angeles.
Okay, Los Angeles. Okay, I will write your answer. Los Angeles. And then what is the answer of B?
No, I don't live in Los Angeles.
No, okay, my dear. We will have to um okay, we'll have I live in oh my God. I will write it again. Do you live in my dear, we will have to you have to rejoin again in my Zoom, okay?
Oh, okay. Ow.
Okay. Okay, just wait, my dear. Okay, my dear, very good. Okay, I will share my screen again to you.
Okay.
Okay, did you see my screen, my dear? Did you see my screen now? Hmm? Did you see my screen clearly?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Again, my dear, answer this again. Do you live in what?
Do you live in Los Angeles?
Los Angeles. Okay. So what B said?
No, I don't live in Los Angeles.
No, I don't live in Los Angeles. Where do you live?
I live in Guatemala.
What, Guatemala. Okay, which part?
Oh, Guatemala City.
Oh, Guatemala City. Where do you work?
I
I
work
work
at
at
McDonald's.
uh,
McDonald's.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yes, I have children.
Yes. I have children. Okay. How many children do you have?
I have one daughter
I have
and one son.
one
Daughter.
daughter
Yes.
and
One son.
I know. Sorry. My spelling is correct. Incorrect. Okay. How many grandchildren do you have?
I don't have any grandchildren.
I don't have any children. Okay, very good. Oh, no, wait. Just wait, my dear. Very good, my dear. Yes, I have a children. Yes, I have a children. Very good. Good job, my dear. You are perfect. Good job. Okay, my dear. That's all for this basic day 5. We will go to I know. We will go to day 6. Okay. Share sound. Share. Okay. We'll go to day 6. Where do you live? Okay. Can you please read our lesson objective, my dear?
Okay.
Yes.
Understand how to use present simple tense.
Very good. Can you say it again? Present.
Present.
Very good. Good job. Okay. We will have to understand what is the meaning of present simple tense?
Tense.
Yes. Yes. So this is or these are present simple tense. Okay, this one. This one is the present simple tense. What is this, my dear? Can you read this
Present
one?
simple tense.
Can you read this one, my dear? This, my dear, this is the meaning of present simple tense. In English, these are to
I.
yes. Am I?
Am I?
Yes. Very good. My dear, this is the meaning, my dear. You will have to read this one.
Diễn đạt.
And then you will have to you will read this and then I will give you translation of this in English. Okay, can you please read this one in Vietnam?
Diễn đạt một thói quen hoặc hành động lặp đi lặp lại trong hiện tại. So long. Chân lý, sự thật hiển nhiên. Sự việc xảy ra trong tương lai, cách này thường áp dụng để nói về thời gian biểu, chương trình hoặc kế hoạch đã được cố định theo thời gian biểu.
Okay.
Okay, so
I
long.
yes. I don't get it, but I have a translation of that in English, my dear. That is to express a habit or repeated actions is the presence. For example, this one. Am I?
Am I?
And then this is the this one. What is this, my dear? What is this? Can you please read this one?
Am I?
This one, my dear. Can
I
you
am.
see? Yes, I am. So that is this one, my dear. This meaning
What?
to express a habit or repeated actions is the presence because you repeat what they said. For example, I am a teacher. You are a teacher. Am I?
Okay.
Am I a teacher? Yes, that is a
Oh.
repeated words. Just like this, my dear, they will change. So that is repeated because am I? So that is the
Okay.
repeated. Okay? How about this one? This meaning, the English translation is a truth or an obvious fact. Okay. This example, this present simple tense.
You are?
You are? No, that's not. This is one,
Huh?
my dear. This one. She is this. Can you please read this one?
He is not.
Yes, she is not. How about this one?
I am not.
How about this one?
Say I'm not.
Very good. So that is the obvious fact because that is the fact, my dear, or that is the truth. She is not. She is not a student, but she is a teacher. Okay? Yes. This how about this meaning? This meaning is an event or happening in the future. This is used often applied to talk about timetable, programs, or plans that have been fixed according to his schedule. So this is this one. He is. Can you say it again? Is. Are
He
you?
is.
Are you? This one, my dear.
Are you?
Is he?
Is he?
Yes, very good. He is, yes. He is a talented.
He is.
Yes, he is a talent. Or he is a talented. Yes, that is the
He is talent.
very good. Okay, my dear, do you understand what is present simple tense?
Okay.
Okay, my dear, we'll go to our next topic for today. Okay. Can you please read this one? And I will give you a translation of this or meaning.
Dạng khẳng định.
Yes, very good. That is infinitive or base infinitive for most subjects. The I, can you please read this one, my dear?
I, where, you, they.
Very good. Plus V. The V word is, this is the, yes, that is a verb. The V, the V,
Verb.
the V alphabet is the verb. Verb.
Verb.
So, the verb, this is the verb, my dear. The verb. The verb
Verb.
is an action. Actions, just like playing. Playing, you are playing, watching, cooking. Yes, that is our actions. If you want to do something or what do you do or what you do something, that is the verb. Give me example of verb, my dear.
Mm.
Yes, give me an example of a verb. The you are a you do
What?
dancing. You do a
Dance.
singing. Yeah, dance, singing,
You
cooking.
dance.
Yes, cooking. That is the verb, my dear.
Oh,
Play, playing, played, dancing, watch, watching. That is the verb. Did you get it, my dear?
okay.
Okay. How about this one, my dear? If the words, if the word I, we, you, and they, that, and the sentence or the next word is a verb, that that is the verb, my dear. This,
Verb.
yes.
Verb.
We use this I, we, you, they if the next word is the verb without es or without, just like play, watch, cook. That is a verb. So we use this if we don't have a es. Okay, how about this one, my dear?
He, she, is.
Yes, you will use this with s and es. Do you get it, my dear? He he is placed in the backyard, or he is watching some TikToks. Do you understand, my dear?
Okay.
Yes, you will. What will we use the I, we, you, they, my dear? What we will use if I, we, you, or they? If the next word is a verb without es, but he or she, it, with the next word is s and es. Do you get it, my dear?
Okay.
Yes. You will have to remember this, my dear. If the I, we, you, and they, we will use this if the second word is a verb or or didn't have a es. But if the first word is he, she, or it, one only, with, and the next word is with es. If we will use a I, we, you, and they, that is a plural because more than two, you will use the verb only. You don't have a s. Don't s. Don't have a s. Okay? Okay, number 2, my dear. What is this?
Dạng chủ định.
Yes, very good. The meaning is third person singular. The third person, you will say something or anything, people, or for examples, I don't I don't play. I don't play. Or he doesn't play. This example, my dear. Yes. I
I
don't,
where you say do not,
or
don't.
yes, very good. This is the third singular persons. I, we, you, they. You will use don't, my dear. Okay? Means do not. I don't. I don't play.
I
Or I
don't.
don't watch some TikTok. Okay? If the words, yes. If the word he, she, and it, you will say doesn't. Doesn't. Last verb.
He, she, it. Does not.
Doesn't. Does not.
Doesn't.
Does not.
Does not.
Very good. Doesn't.
Doesn't.
Very good, my dear. We will use I, we, you, they if the word is don't. We will use this don't, my dear. If the first word is I, we, you, they. But he or she, it, we will use doesn't. Does not. Doesn't. Okay? How we will use I, we, you, and they? Do not or don't. Do not or does not, my dear.
Do not.
Very good. How about he, she, it? What we will use?
He, she, it.
So what we will use? Is it don't
Does
or
not.
doesn't? Very good. Doesn't. Do you get it, my dear?
Okay.
Okay, this one, my dear. Can you please read this one?
Dạng nghi vấn.
Yes, very good. That the translation of this, my dear, when to add es. The es word with es. This one, my dear, do.
Do.
Yes. If we will use do if the second word is I, we, you, they, and then plus verb. For example, yes, I do. Because they will use I. Got it, my dear? What we will use
I.
do.
Yes,
What
I
we will
do.
use do. If the words or the presence or the present simple tense is I, we, you, and they, we will use do. Okay, my dear?
Okay.
Okay, that does means does he or she, it. We will use does if the second word is he, she, or it. Do you get it, my dear? With s, my dear. We will use he, she, or it with S or ES. Okay? We will
Okay.
we will use, my dear, the I, we, you, they. What we will use, the I, we, you, and they. Do or does? Is it do or does? What we will use, the I, we, you, and they plus verb. We use this one.
Do.
Yes, we use do. If we will use he, she, or it, what we will use, my dear?
Da.
Does.
Does.
Yes. For example, no, I do not. No, he doesn't. Oh, he does not. Yes, he does. Yes, because we will use he to use does. Yes, we will use does if the present simple tense is he, she, or it. If we will use I, we, you, they, if the if the if the we will use I, we, you, they if the do we will use do if the I, we, you, they in the sentence. And then we will use he or she or it if the does is the word of it. Can you get it, my dear? This one, this does and do. How will we use, my dear, the do if the word is I, we, you, and they? And then we will use does if the present simple tense is he, she, or it. Okay, my dear, do you get it?
Okay.
Okay, because we will have a quiz for that, my dear. Okay, choose the correct forms of the verb, my dear. I catch or catches robbers. My dad is a driver. Can you please read this one, my dear?
I catch robber. My dad is a driver.
Yes, very good. Very good, my dear. Yes, very good. Good job. Catch. Because the first word is I. So we don't use ES because the first word is I. Okay? Do you get it, my dear?
I.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Number 2. Can you please read this one, my dear, and then answer?
He always wear a white coat.
So what is your answer, my dear? Where or wears?
Wear or wear.
So what is your answer? Can you choose one only?
Wear a white coat.
So what is the answer of this two, my dear? Is it this or this? Where or wears?
Wear or wear.
So what is the answer?
Wear or wear.
So what we will use if the first word, if the first word is he, is it where or wears?
Wear or wear.
So what is your answer, my dear?
Wear or wear.
Can you have to choose one lang, my dear, only. You have to choose one only. Is it a where or wears?
Wear or wear.
So what is your answer of these two?
Red or red?
Yes. Can you please choose one only, your answer, my dear?
Where?
Are you sure? Is it aware?
Where?
Are you sure, my dear? That is
I'm
the
sure.
answer without S or with S?
What?
Because we use he in the sentence.
He.
Yes, we use he. So the answer is
Where?
where's, my dear? It's because we will use he because of the yes. The I, we, you, they, we use that without S or ES. The he, she, or it, we use S with S, my dear. The verb is S. Okay? Do you understand, my dear?
Okay.
Okay. How about the number 3? Can you please read this one? Number 3, can you please read the number 3 and then answer?
They never bring or drinks beer.
Very good. So what is the answer, my dear? Is it a drink or drinks with S?
Drink. Drink.
Okay, I just want drink. Can you please read again with your answer one more time? Can you please read this one again, my dear, the number 3?
Drink.
Okay, can you please read complete sentence with your
They
answer?
never drink beer.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Because we will use the first word. We use the word they. So we will not use the S. No S.
S.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Good job. How about the number 4? Can you please read again, my dear?
Lucy go whose windows shopping 7 times a month.
Very good. Because Lucy is one person. If Lucy is one person, my dear, what is the answer? Is it go or goes?
Girls.
Very good.
Lucy
Because,
goes
yes, very
window
good. Yeah,
shopping
very good.
7 times a month.
Very good. Good job. Correct. Because Lucy he or she, my dear. Who is Lucy?
She.
Yes, very good. She is she. Yes.
She.
Yeah. Because she is a girl. So Lucy goes with
Oh,
ES. Okay. How about the number 5?
Mary and
Oh,
Marcus
5, my dear. Number 5.
find out she has a pen.
Okay. So what is your answer? Have or has?
Okay, she have pen.
So what is your answer?
Has
Has?
uh
What is your answer,
has
what is your answer?
has
Okay, can you please read, my dear? Can you please repeat repeat the number or the sentence with your answer? She?
have a pen.
Okay.
Have.
Mm. The answer
Okay.
is has because we use what we use, my dear, in this sentence.
She
What?
has a pen.
Yes, because we will use she. So we will use with S. It's wrong because this is not S. The have is don't S because we will use she if the second word is with S. Okay, all right. It's okay, my dear. Now, how about the number 6?
Mary and Marcus cut cuts people hair.
So what is your answer? What is your answer, my dear?
Cut.
Okay, cat without S.
Cut.
Okay, very good, cat. Mary and
Oh,
Marcus cut people's hair. Very good because Mary and Marcus is more than 2. They have 2, not 1. Okay, very good. How about the last one, my dear? Number 7. Can you please read again, my dear?
teaches student.
Can you say it again? Students.
Student.
Okay, she teaches students. So what is your
Oh,
answer?
she teach
What is your
student.
answer, my dear? Is it teach or teaches?
Teaches.
Very good. Why, my dear? Why teaches? What
Teaches.
simple tense? What simple tense they use in the sentence? Because she used this
C
one.
A S.
Yes. With ES because she used she. Yes, they use she. We use he and she with es and s. We use I, they, and then more than 2 people without s. Okay, my dear? Do you get
Okay.
it now? What we will use as an es or correct forms of the verb? What we will use? Okay, that's all for today, my dear.
Okay.
And then you will sleep again.
Now, now
Why?
sleep.
You don't sleep? Why? What are you
Sleep.
doing before
Tôi
before this? After
eat.
this? Ah, you will eat. Very good. You will eat your lunch.
Okay.
Okay, my dear. Thank you for today. And then we will have a homework tomorrow. No, in Wednesday.
Wednesday.
I will give you some sentences and then you will have to choose if it is he or she or it or we, you, they, if we'll use this correct form of verb, okay? We'll
Okay.
use correct verb. Okay, my dear. Thank you for today.
Okay, thank
Good.
you.
And then enjoy your day. And you have to sleep early in the night. Okay?
Okay. Okay,
Bye.
teachers. Bye bye.